Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, today we are going to step into the most stable, the most rigid, and the most amazing state of matter, which is the solid state. My dear student, just look around you right now. Your books, the chair you're sitting on, even the device you're watching this lecture on, everything is a solid. But have you ever wondered, why do solids have fixed shapes? Why is a diamond the hardest substance while glass can break so easily? So, by the end of this lecture, all of these mysteries will be crystal clear to you, just like a diamond crystal. So, let's begin. What is solid state? My dear student, solids are one of the three main physical states of matter. My dear student, and solids particles are very closely packed due to strong intermolecular forces. That's why solids are rigid, have a definite shape, and cannot flow like liquids or gases. Now, typical properties of solid. My dear student, solids have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Reason? Most particles are closely packed and held by strong intermolecular forces. And the second one is rigidity. Solids are rigid, they do not flow. Example, iron block or iron rod keeps its shape. And the third one is uncompressibility. Solids cannot be compressed easily. Reason? Very little space between particles. And the fourth one is high density. Solids are generally denser than liquids and gases. Example, iron is heavier than water. And the fifth one is low diffusion. Diffusion occurs very slowly in solids. Example, smell of camphor spreads slowly in air. And the sixth one is strong intermolecular forces. Solids have the strongest intermolecular forces compared to liquids and gases. And the seventh one is melting point. Solids have a sharp melting points. Example, ice melts at 0 degrees centigrade. But dear student, these properties are due to the closely packed arrangement of particles and solids. Now, types of solids. My dear students, solids are classified into two main types. The first one is crystalline solids. My dear student, in crystalline solids, particles are arranged in irregular, repeating patterns. They have a definite geometrical shape. They show sharp melting points. Example, sodium chloride, diamond, quartz. Properties of crystalline solids. First one, long range order, mean regular arrangement throughout. The second one, anisotropic, mean properties depend on direction. The third one is sharp melting point. And the fourth one is true solids. And the second one as amorphous solids. When you student, amorphous solids particles are arranged in a random, irregular way. They do not have sharp melting points. Instead, they soften gradually. Example: glass, plastic, rubber. Properties of amorphous solids. What is student? Amorphous solids have short range order only. And second one, isotropic means same properties in all direction. And the third one is do not have sharp melting points. And the fourth one is sometimes called pseudosolids or supercooled liquids. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on solid states of matter. If this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.